A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Take a few moments to settle in and become comfortable. Close your eyes and take some deep, slow breaths. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel the tension slowly start to release with each breath you take. Now bring your focus to an area of emotional discomfort or distress within yourself. Where do you feel it manifesting? Is there tightness in the chest or knotting sensation in the stomach? Observe these sensations without judgment. Breathe in and out. Allow your body to move in a way that's comfortable for it. A small sway back and forth, a tiny shift in the hips, and a slight head tilt back and forth as you continue to breathe in and out. Continue to observe sensations in your body without judgment. Notice how they change as you continue to breathe deeply and slowly. You may also find different emotions that come up that are associated with this experience. Notice them, observe them, but don't grab onto them or have expectations about what will happen. Just simply be with what is present, moment to moment. Continue on with a slow, steady, comfortable breath. Now, as you sit here with a sense of presence and understanding, begin to send yourself love, comfort, and compassion. Allow your body to continue to sway or move if that is comfortable for you. Repeat phrases in your mind such as, I am safe, or I am enough, while sending loving energy into the area of discomfort. Affirm that it is okay to feel this way, and focus on allowing yourself the space to release any pent-up emotions that may come into your awareness. Breathe in and out. Remind yourself that true healing comes from within, and you are the only one who can make that journey for yourself by giving yourself permission. Know too that each small step forward is progress. Breathe in and out. Take your time, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes and come back to the present moment. Take a few more cleansing breaths and allow any lingering emotions to pass. Give yourself recognition for the work done here today. Take one last deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. You are strong and capable.